Hi, hello. In this video, I will show you how to remove a shadow ban on YouTube. But first, let us know what is this shadow ban and how will you know if your channel is affected by this. So as you can see here, one important sign of a shadow ban on YouTube is the content's presence in the search results. A shadow ban is strongly suggested if your previously popular videos abruptly vanish from search results or drastically decline in ranking for specific keywords. So the question is, how are you going to remove shadow ban if you feel like your YouTube channel has been affected with this? So first, to remove or to avoid this shadow banning in YouTube, I'm going to show you a few advice on how to remove this. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your channel is shadow banned. So you can use programs and tools to find out if your channel has been shadow banned. So these tools can assist you in figuring out whether the ban is affecting your channel or not. Second is you can report to the YouTube support team. All you have to do is you have to get access to YouTube assistance and then after that report a problem. Third, you need to follow their guidelines. So the standards are a set of rules that fall under many categories such as child safety, copyright, hazardous, or dangerous content. Fourth, you have to rethink or reevaluate the content. So take your time going over your older films to see if there are any that might have gone against YouTube community guidelines. And last is don't stop uploading content. So your videos may not be getting a lot of views. You must not stop uploading videos regularly. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.